are you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. So guys, this was how I ended my 2024. Yeah, I bulk cooked. I cooked about 3 different soups, stew, sauce. I mean, it was a lot of cooking on this particular day, but I'm glad I did it. I stocked my freezer with foods, with loads and loads of food. This food will last us 2 months, yeah, or maybe depending on how much we eat it, yeah. So relax, trust me, you're going to enjoy watching this video. Do not click out, watch to the end, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, okay? All right, guys, let's start cooking. So guys, Merry Christmas. I know I've told you guys Merry Christmas couple of times, yeah. Today is Monday 23rd, and I'm bulk cooking. This bulk cooking also for Christmas, but I'm just bulk cooking. So I have plans of cooking 3 soups, stew, maybe jollof rice, and maybe sauce. Let's see how it goes. If I can achieve all today in 4 hours, fab. If I can't, maybe we'll continue some other time. So this is me here washing my stock. So I'll be cooking with beef, chicken, turkey, pomo, shaki, everything you can think of, yeah. And last night I cut my vegetables. So this is kale for the egusi soup. I have okra here, and I also have ofo. And in here is my spinach. I did most of the prepping yesterday, so yeah, let's start cooking. I know you guys enjoy my cooking vlog, so why not?
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you slip by.
So yeah, I started cooking. I realized my pots were not giving. What I mean by my pots were not giving, I mean they're big, but they're not as big as the portion of food I want to cook. So I quickly went out and bought this pot. So I bought this pot for £22.99. Let's just call it £23, yeah. So yeah, I bought this pot for £23, and it's very, very big. So that's what the pot is giving. This pot is very, very big. So with this pot now, I can be able to cook big portion of food. And yeah, so I got a new pot, Christmas gift from myself to myself. Big pot. Yeah, so let's continue our cooking.
Struggle, make we dey hustle. This world be tough, in a basamba. When I'm born at Chubego, when I'm rapana one day. Oh yeah, say nobody enjoy tabafufu. Oh yeah, rapana one day. Make we dey hustle. This world too tough for onye Nigeria. If money dey for your pocket, you know about somebody.
Look at our hay.
Christmas.
Look at can we stand? Wow, I like this. Yeah, we're still on us.
Your brother, Onyara Pala one day. Onye say nobody enjoy Papa Fofo. Onyara Pala one day. Kabano Babambo, Batego, Kena Bamba. Chop life with your brother, Onyara Pala one day.
So now I want to cook stew with the tomato paste for stew. That's the tomato puree, and I also want to cook sauce. So yeah, jumbo carrot. All prepped. So this is a normal carrot, this is a rainbow carrot, more of it here. So in here we have the sauce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plates of sauce. We have the okra soup. We have the egusi soup. We have stew. And then we have ofo soup. Nice. So guys, I just finished cooking now, and this is past 8. I started cooking past 8 in the morning. Although when I started cooking, at some point I left. I went to buy this big pot, the big pot I showed you guys earlier. I went to buy the big pot. I spent like 1 hour 30 minutes each out, and then I came back and continued cooking. And then when I finished cooking the whole soups, we stepped out for like 2-3 hours. We took the kids to Newport's Winter Wonderland. Yeah, we took them out and they had fun. I'm sure you guys will see that in a vlog before this or after this. I don't know how I'll do it, but yeah, we went to Newport's Winter Wonderland. That's why you guys are seeing makeup on my face, because when I started cooking initially, I wasn't wearing makeup. Yeah, so now you guys, I cooked 3 soups and 3 soups, 1 stew and 1 sauce. Yeah, so I cooked egusi soup, I cooked okra soup, okra with ogbono. I normally cook my okra with ogbono, yeah. So egusi soup, okra soup with ogbono, and then ofo soup with okazi leaf, yeah. The okazi leaf is not fresh, like it's a dry okazi leaf, so that's why that ofo soup is not really looking, the color is not coloring, but it is delicious. It is so yummy. I mean, it is so delicious. It is super delicious. Yeah, so egusi soup, okra soup, and ofo okazi soup. Yeah, and when we got back from taking the guests out to Newport Winter Wonderland, I started cooking stew. So I cooked stew, and then I cooked sauce, vegetable sauce. You guys saw the vegetables, all the yummy healthy vegetables I cooked it with. Yeah, you can use the sauce to eat rice, white pasta, spaghetti, stuff like that. Yeah, so at this point, I think it's in order to call me Chef Cyndy. You guys, my kitchen is a mess right now. You don't even want to see how this kitchen is looking, but I'll try and tidy up now, have my bath, and then go to sleep. It has been a very long day. So if you have an event and you want someone to cook for you for your event, Cyndy is here. Just let me know ahead of time. I'll get everything I need and cook mouth-watering, like yummy delicious food you will eat finger licking. I mean, just buzz me if you have an event, birthday parties, any occasion at all. Just let me know. I'll be more than glad to cook for you. Okay, jollof rice, Nigerian party jollof rice, moi, a lot. You guys watch my vlogs. You guys already, you know what I do, what I cook, you know what I can do. So feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to cook for your events. Okay, so yeah, your girl is knackered. So let me now pack all this inside this deep freezer, tidy up the kitchen, and that will be it. So give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye.